Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago to the device, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the face unlock feature works here really fast. We can unlock the device just in 1 second. That's the good result for the face unlock. I just will make one more thing here. I want to try to wear the glasses because I set up my face recognition without the glasses. So now I'll wear them and I'll try to unlock it. So as can you see, with the glasses it also works normally without any problems. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.